Hey there, gardeners. Today I'm diving into why your soil needs Langbeinite right now. If you want healthier plants and bigger yields, stick around for these top 5 reasons. First up, Langbeinite is a fantastic source of potassium, magnesium, and sulfur. Potassium helps your plants grow stronger roots and stems, while magnesium is crucial for photosynthesis. And let's not forget sulfur, which boosts enzyme activities and overall plant health. Second, it's water-soluble. That means it dissolves easily and gets absorbed quickly by your plants. No more waiting around for weeks to see results. Third, it doesn't alter your soil's pH. Unlike some fertilizers, Langbeinite won't make your soil too acidic or too alkaline. It keeps things balanced, which is perfect for maintaining a healthy garden ecosystem. Fourth, it's organic and natural. You're not dumping a bunch of chemicals into your garden. Langbeinite comes straight from the earth, making it an eco-friendly choice for us conscious gardeners. Finally, Langbeinite helps prevent nutrient deficiencies. By providing essential minerals, it ensures your plants get everything they need to thrive. No more yellow leaves or stunted growth. So there you have it, 5 solid reasons to start using Langbeinite in your soil mix today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!